Hey RT family, Ryan Reynolds here with Keller Williams Consultants Realty, and today's quick tip. So today I'm in my basement and I'm going to be maintaining my water heater. Now a lot of you might be asking yourself, gee, should I be maintaining my water heater? And the answer is yes, probably 1 to 2 times a year. So why does a water heater need maintenance? Well, basically a water heater is a big tank, and whether it's gas or whether it's electric, it doesn't really matter. But that tank is filled up with water from your city water supply or your well, and that's heated up. And when that happens, a lot of the junk in the water might get kind of stuck in the water heater. And so when it gets stuck in the bottom of the water heater because of the way most of them are designed. And if you clean it out by washing out through the valve at the bottom of the water heater every year, you're going to extend the life. And to prove that, mine is from 2006. And I've maintenance it probably on average once or so a year, but if you did it more often, it wouldn't hurt. So today what I've got is I've got a hose, and I'm going to be connecting this to the valve in the bottom of my water heater. Okay, so we're here now at the water heater, and you can see mine was installed in 2006. In fact, June 13th of 2006 was when it was approved. This is an electric water heater. You can tell because I've got these 2 blue panels on the water heater, and down at the bottom of all water heaters you're going to see an outlet, and then you're going to have this valve sticking out. Mine's a little weird because I have it connected to my geothermal water system as well. But basically all you do is you take your hose and you're just going to connect it to this spot right here. You're going to tighten that up so you don't leak anything. That's pretty good. And then you're going to find a drain, and in my case I happen to have a drain right here, so you're going to put the hose down in the drain, and then all you're going to do is you're going to turn this valve on and you're going to let it run. Hopefully it doesn't spray back out at you like it's doing to me. You're going to let it run for about a minute to 30 seconds, or 30 seconds to a minute, something like that. And what that's going to do is it's going to take all the debris that's settled in the bottom of your tank. It's going to come out through this valve, and then it's going to clean it out. Okay, so that's been running for about a minute or so. I think it's probably sufficiently cleaned out. We're going to go ahead and just turn that valve back off. And in some cases you won't have this gray valve. You may just have a square here. You might need a wrench to put on there, or sometimes you'll have a metal valve. But either way, it's all the same principle. You just open the valve, let the water flow out, close the valve, and then when you're done, you take the hose off, and that is it. You put the hose up for another year and you're done. So that's it. All you have to have is a short piece of hose, a drain, and then you open the valve for about, like say, 30 seconds to a minute, and you're cleaned out, good to go for a year. Now, if you don't do that, what's going to happen is that sediment's going to build up in the bottom of the tank, and it's going to shorten the life of your water heater. So take a minute, go do it, and send me a text, let me know you got it done, and we'll see you next time. Ryan Reynolds here with Keller Williams Consultants Realty, unlimited opportunities and exceptional experiences.